Which of these is a hill in the Black Mountains of Wales? A. Duke William's Tool. B. Earl Percy's Point. Or C. Lord Hereford's Knob. You have put Lord Hereford's Knob.
I believe I've been up Lord Hereford's knob.
Right, you put C. The correct answer is... Brilliant, yes. Step close line. Well played, mate. Chaser has put... Goes wrong. Game opens up. Here's your next question. Come on, Jim. What type of fuel container is so named because it was first used in Germany?
Jerry.
Correct. Which politician famously said there's no such thing as society?
Disraeli.
Margaret Thatcher. Jim, you know what? £5,000, Jimmy. That's all right. That's
Something.
good. No, it's
That's
good.
something.
It's good.
Yep.
Good luck, Tim. Your time starts now. What's the official address of the Chancellor of the Exchequer?
11 Downing Street.
Correct. Later covered by the Pet Shop Boys, who had a 1973 hit with Always on My Mind.